दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल LIS एकेडमी में। और दोस्तों, अब तो थकावट उतर गई होगी। दो एग्ज़ाम आप लोग दे चुके हैं, राजस्थान लाइब्रेरियन और UGC नेट का, दोनों का एग्ज़ाम हो गया। मेरी भी आंख में कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रही थी, इसी बीच आप लोगों से लगभग एक हफ्ता 10 दिन दूर रहा हूँ। और बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स की रिक्वेस्ट थी कि सर इंग्लिश की वीडियो भी बनाइए। तो दोस्तों, इंग्लिश का मटेरियल इकट्ठा कर लिया है और कोशिश करूँगा। प्रोनाउंसिएशन में हो सकता है कुछ इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम आए, तो फ्रेंड्स आप लोग वीडियो को देख करके अपना जो भी प्रोनाउंसिएशन, उच्चारण है, रीडिंग्स है, वो आप लोग करते रहेंगे, है ना फ्रेंड्स। तो दोस्तों, इसका PDF मैं नीचे लिंक दे दूँगा, आप लोगों को वहाँ से मिल जाएगा। सो यू कैन डाउनलोड PDF ऑफ दिस वीडियो in our Telegram section. So friends, I will try to in English. If you cannot subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. Please, if any doubt or mistakes by me, you can comment in my comment section. Study of the interrelated science that deals with the properties and behavior of the information control flow, use of information processing and information for maximum storage, retrieval and dissemination. So friends, इसका right answer is information science. Which of the following term may replace the term documentation? Information science. In the library science, the medium is book. What that is medium in the information science is database. Informatics is a information science. Next question is question number 5. The main components of the information technology are both of above, like reprographic technology and micrographic technology, etc. Integrated Service Digital Network ISDN is an example of the communication technology. Document Delivery Service DDS is depends on the reprographic technology. Which statement is are correct? So friends, first and second option is correct. First option is information are regarded as the commodity, and second is it is like an inexhaustible and the renewable source of the energy. Information is the generated by the survey and census, researcher and develops research or government activities. All of above is answer. Large scale use of the information has converted to the present knowledge of the society into the information age and information society. Next question. Collection of the information is done in the libraries, documentation service and information. Answer all of above. In the scientific fields, books are known as the monographs. Which of the following service is designated in the identify the most suitable documents to a specific user? Selective dissemination of the information. Next, the service of the providing urgent and quick information to the users, the current awareness service. The barriers to the communication of the information is are all of above. The set of the decision taken by the government through a set laws and the regulations to orient and development of the information transfer activities in order to the satisfy of the information need to the country is the national information policy. The reasons to get for the national information policy is are the information may be used as well the different categories in the information transfer. Next, information evaluation has come. All option is right. A Anglo-American Cataloging Code 1908 cataloging was compiled by the ALA American Library Association. BSO Broad System of Ordering was drafted in the year 1971. Who was the chairman of the Formulation Committee for the National Policy for Libraries and Information Science in 1985 is Dr. D.P. Chattopadhyay. UNESCO attempt to make users education program through UNICEST. Resource sharing the estimated duplication of the money, manpower and the material. The headquarter of IFLA is located. The headquarter of ALA is located at Chicago. IFLA is the headquarter is located at The Hague. Presses was developed by Derek Einstein. The use for the BNB, British National Bibliography. Subject, heading, list and theory are two types of the controlled indexing language. Pepsi and Process are the example of the prenatal coordinate indexing pre-coordinate indexing module. Kindly discuss in the comments box of this question. Computer aided subject system was introduced by the ABPR in 1991. The World Cat service is provided by the OCLC, which is the world's largest and the most comprehensive bibliographic database is the OCLC SS service. Many times the term information is synonymously used with other terms like the data, knowledge, human activities, results, generation of the information. Computers are used for handling large mass of the information for quick retrieval of the desired items of it. According to the definition of the UNESCO documents, information is made of a symbolic elements communicating scientific and technical knowledge irrespective of their nature, numerical, textual, graphic, etc. Material carriers and form of the presentation. The term news, data, knowledge are related to the concept and synonyms with the information. The term data may be described as a discrete, unorganized piece of information. When some existing exchange control regulation or the amendment of the notification are published regularly and in Reserve Bank of India bulletin, this is an example of the information. Analyzed information in the social science may be categorized to the statistical information, descriptive information and the analytical information. The review of literature, the type of documents, is an example of the descriptive information. The national income statistics data, when collected, described, analytical, interpreted, is known as the statistical information. Knowledge is an organized body of the information. The progress of the nation is often judged by the percentage of the national income spent of R&D. Industrial revolution took place in the middle of 20th century. The large-scale growth into the organized body of the information, continuous additional output and current research activities characterized as the phenomena of the explosion of the books. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ऑफिस ऑफ द रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ इंडिया कंडक्टेड द डेसिमल सेंसस ऑफ द population data of the country. Researchers are the both consumer and generators of the information. Teachers need information for the imparting education. Next question है government official need information for the decision making. Information and knowledge are the central instrumentation change in the information society. And last question is the structure of the US mark format comprises 3 components. So friends, it is my first video in the English. I think you are like this video, and like if you like this video, I increase my eligibility or hesitation, I can not hesitate. तो दोस्तों ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी प्लीज़ कमेंट्स करके बताइएगा। कोशिश करूँगा इंग्लिश को सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन करने की कोशिश है ना। और फ्रेंड्स इसमें जो टिक मार्क्स लगे हैं ना, तो दोस्तों जो भी मटेरियल जहाँ से मिला उन पर टिक लगा हुआ था, सो उनकी कॉपी किया है, तो टिक मार्क्स आ गए हैं। आप लोग इग्नोर करें उसको। और दोस्तों ज़रूर कमेंट्स करके बताएं वीडियो कैसी लगी। अभी कुछ दिन, 1 महीना 1.5 महीना आप लोगों को इंग्लिश की वीडियो दूंगा। और दोस्तों जैसे एग्ज़ाम आएगा हिंदी के, फिर आपको 5-6 हज़ार क्वेश्चन फिर दोबारा प्रैक्टिस सेट कराएंगे। अब कुछ नया मटेरियल मैंने इकट्ठा कर रहा हूँ हिंदी के लिए भी। और एक आपको कंप्यूटर की वीडियो दूंगा दोस्तों। विभिन्न एग्ज़ाम जो आते हैं हमारे, और डिफरेंट टाइप्स एग्ज़ाम इन द लाइक SSC, क्लर्क्स, स्टेनो, टाइपिस्ट, सब इंस्पेक्टर, जो इन तरह के एग्ज़ाम आते हैं उनमें कंप्यूटर साइंस के कुछ क्वेश्चन रेलवे वगैरह में, बैंक में आते हैं जनरल क्वेश्चन, तो वो क्वेश्चन भी मैं आप लोगों को कराऊंगा जल्दी ही। तो दोस्तों बाय बाय, नमस्कार।